So now we're gonna stuff and weight our body. And Sabrina and I are going to use these tushies that we do have available on our website. We have tummies and tushies.
Yep.
And I've got the glass beads in mine. And
I have poly pellets.
poly pellets. And they feel pretty much the same.
Yep.
And then
maybe yours is a little heavier, I think. Like,
yes, I think mine's is a little
yeah,
heavier.
I think glass beads generally
are a little heavier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
you're doing
I'm just doing
Old
the
school.
nylon.
She's gonna do a nylon sock.
Yeah.
With glass beads.
Yeah, and normally you would have in one of these, you would have enough to do everything, but I personally like everything to be a little bit more heavy.
you're a little heavier.
So I'm just
Yep,
using a
yep.
little extra from different things, but you can always purchase some more.
So we're just gonna put this in the top here.
It's gonna hurt.
I hope I'm not making faces.
Hold your tongue right.
I know. There we go, got it in. And there is a little ruched spot,
Yeah, you want to
and
line
you
up.
want them to line up with the little ruching on the butt back here.
Now, Brenda, will you be getting in the tushy stuff?
Well, we actually created those.
What was it
so
called?
our sewers, our body sewers made
Yep.
them for us.
Yep.
They're just made out of, and anybody can make them. Like they're
Yeah.
very simple. They're just made out of what is that stuff called that you sew inside?
Interfacing.
Interfacing.
Yep.
Thank you. So it's just interfacing, and it's just sort of like a little. Well, the tummy one is just like almost like a
It looks like
teardrop. Yeah.
Yeah. Where
The tushy one
here, let me
is
show you.
it has a little gathered elastic. And
Where
this
the
one
butt
has
is.
an
Okay, so
elastic.
you get them like this. And there
Thank you, Sabrina.
is no problem. There is the tushy one here too. It's kind of
Now
like
is that an elastic that's sewn in there, or what is that gathered?
yes, it's a little
give
tiny
you the
elastic.
little
Yeah,
butt
so it
cheeks.
has a little butt
Yeah.
cheek here.
Yeah.
And then you put that, and then the
Yeah.
tummy is just like a teardrop.
It's just
kind of
it's
shape.
just nice to contain your
Mhm.
weight inside your cloth body.
And the fill stuff that you were talking about, that we don't.
Jelly Belly.
Is that
Oh, Jelly Belly we're
Yep.
out of, but we're getting some
you're
more
going to be
in.
getting some? Okay,
Yeah.
so not now.
Not,
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Now this, listen, this video could be playing 10 years down the road.
Yeah.
So we don't know. Today is 2024, and
Yeah.
it's March what? 8th?
March
today?
8th.
Yeah.
March the 8th, so there you go. Right now we're out of Jelly Belly, but we're getting some more in.
Yeah.
Okay, and I just like to position it so you have like a little butt cheek. And then I also use some fill and do it around the hips here.
I always like stuff in the bodies. They look like little turkeys.
Yeah.
Little turkeys.
I do.
And you can put your legs in at the same time. Like you can do your legs now.
Yep.
And then get that situated and then fill the tummy and the front of your body with fill.
And do you like it to have like lots of junk in the trunk? Like,
I like the bottom to be quite stuffed,
okay.
but I like the tummy to be quite squishy.
You like squishy. Okay.
Yes, but it's different for everybody. Some like the whole body stuffed tight,
Tight, yep.
but I like it cuddly.
Yeah.
I think it
So-
depends though on the age of the doll
It
too,
does.
right?
It does. A baby isn't like a newborn baby is floppy.
Yeah.
Not.
Not so stiff.
And always make sure you get your
Hello, doll face.
you get your toes going up.
Oh yeah, and the legs going
Yeah.
the right side.
Yeah,
too.
the right side. That's what I'm trying to say.
So, I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see. So you're just, but you do need to leave a little bit of space. Don't pull the zip tie tight, because otherwise you can't move
your
your
legs.
doll at all.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind.
Okay. A little wonky looking, but I think that's about.
Once you
as
get
much
your
stuff
limbs in there,
Yeah.
you'll be fine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of limbs, I should cut that. So with the felt method, You don't have to because it'll be inside the doll anyways, but it's not a bad idea to just cut off your corners so that it's nice and even looking. Making sure that nothing's gonna pop out or anything.
I know.
Okay.
I've got mine sitting here like it's. But the bum looks cute.
It does look
Yeah,
cute.
it looks cute with the little
Especially if your
tushy.
clothes are on.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's more defined.
For sure.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta remember to leave a little space for the tube we're gonna put in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So out of the nylon sock, we're gonna make a little tube, and that is in the instructions of the weighting
The more
tutorial,
advanced
the more
yeah.
advanced. But we've decided we like that, and we're gonna try to make a
Give her
tube.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give her a go.
There's your.
Oh wait.
Yeah. I know.
Do you need help with her?
So this size of baby should be about 5 to 10 pounds, right? Or 5 to 8 pounds.
So this is a preemie, so probably really
Oh,
only a
3 to
few-
5.
Oh, or even you could. Yeah, 3 to
Yeah.
5. Like in life would be
It'd
a
be
preemie,
yeah, 3 to 5.
but they say that it should be less. With because this is
We've got all
dead
the
weight,
yes,
kind of basically.
yes,
Yep.
yes, yes.
So you don't have to go as much.
Yeah. Okay.
So like a
So a tube like that?
I mean, geez, holding up to the bottom. Would you go a little? No, that's pretty big, right? Like,
So
would you go a little
smaller?
more?
I don't know. What do the instructions say here?
I think one really important thing as well to mention is when you're thinking about putting your limbs on, do your head last. Always do your head last because it's really nice to be able to still move your stuffing around.
Yeah.
Like I noticed my armpit very floppy. So being able to just maneuver that without having to fiddle around with
Yeah.
it and figure out a way to do that.
Actually, the armpits. That's actually a good point. The armpits are probably the most you have to spend the most time on
Adjusting.
because they do
yeah.
not
They
want
lose.
to naturally stay where they're supposed to.
Yeah.
So how big did you do your?
So I went like this, but again, this is my first time trying
Yeah,
this
me too.
method.
I've
I
never-
mean, we put them
I've-
together
Yeah.
differently. So I went this big. Like I went like a.
Okay. Well,
I'm
I
gonna
did a
double
little
it up.
smaller.
I'm
Oh,
gonna-
you're gonna double it
I'm
up.
gonna double it up just
Good
like,
idea.
uh,
Because that will get extra play in here.
yeah,
Yep. Great idea.
and then I'm gonna tie it. I don't think I can make it one more time. Do you think? You try. I'll lose my sausage there. Shape. Try.
Oh yes, and that's another very important thing. Make sure your thumbs are going the right way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thumbs
I
up.
cannot tell you how many times
Thumbs
I've
up.
stuffed a doll and
Yeah.
the thumbs are not.
Yep.
Or your toes. Your toes are a pretty easy
Yeah.
one to miss.
I actually, because I generally make bigger babies, I actually usually build them on my lap.
Yeah.
Oh really?
And then, I build them on my lap, and then that way I don't do anything the wrong way.
Yeah. So how did you put? You're just putting that in there.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna stuff around. See how we do.
Yeah. And like I said, I've never done it this way before.
No, me either. I've never used the tushy bag either.
No, I've never used a tushy bag either. But I like it.
Yeah, this seems
I
good.
like it.
Can I have some help just pulling these?
Sure.
They're not pulling it out.
Oh, do
I
you
don't
have
wanna
a
use-
line?
I think I do. No. The other one.
No, I know. No, I was
Okay.
gonna tighten. I just wanted to make sure they're going the right way. No, I think you have it locked, huh?
Uh-oh.
We've got lots, so just
That's
cut
okay.
it.
Yeah,
You know what?
I'll
This is
just
good
redo it.
because then you can
Yeah, I can
show.
show them. All right.
So yeah, so I for some reason it's just it's flipped the wrong way. So yeah,
Okay.
you just have to switch it.
all right.
Do we have more here? Oh yeah, just maybe right there or behind it. There's the bags.
We're on the chair right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
Oh, and I think there's the better cutters. You tab?
I
you
thought
got
I
it.
did.
I thought you
They've
had
escaped us.
They've escaped us.
Oh,
the-
here you go.
They're in the bottom.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
That's okay, we'll make do.
Are they in the bags? No? Okay.
Here's some
Oh,
here,
here,
Laura.
we have some. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah,
That's okay.
Here you go.
Alright,
Sorry, they were sitting right beside me and I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, what the heck?
I'm a beginner.
Yeah, okay. You get excused this one.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, I will say it is kind of a pain to get these in, but once they're in, they're in.
Yeah,
You just gotta slide them.
yeah.
Slide 'em around.
The problem is sometimes I find is that they come
Curved
curved
the wrong way.
Yeah,
So
which
they
is
have
actually
to kind of.
what's happening with this. So the way that I remember it is your spikies should be facing down and your point should look like a mountain. It should never look like a pond. That's how I remember it.
Oh,
Oh, I just look at this.
I just look at this
Don't
too.
you-
I don't do that.
That's cool.
I don't know, because whenever it's set up, normally the spikies are on the bottom of the mountain.
Okay.
This is how I remember it.
Okay. That's fair.
Can I have some stuffing, please?
You sure can.
Thank you so much. Okay, now you were saying something about stuffing the shoulders.
The
You had
shoulders.
some good tips about stuffing in the armpits and the shoulders.
So I just really spend a lot of time in here because you see it naturally just wants to kind of go like this.
Yep.
So I always add extra so that it goes up.
Oh
Like it-
yeah.
Yeah. That's just
Yeah.
again I also usually am doing bigger babies. So
Yep.
there's a lot more weight, a
Yep.
lot more.
Yep.
There we go.
And I know the different kinds of fluff makes a difference in
Yep.
your stuffing and the way your body looks too.
Yep.
Like our baby fluff
Yep.
is so much more softer, so you get a softer,
Oh, squishier.
cuddlier baby.
Okay.
And the fluff we're using today is a little more dense.
Polyfill, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
So
probably what most people are going to be.
most people are just
Just
gonna
gonna get
because
the-
that's what
yeah.
they can get. But
Yeah.
there is the baby fluff on our website that's really, really nice.
Yeah.
I
Especially
haven't
for the
used it.
smaller babies.
Okay, I haven't
Yeah.
used it, so
Yeah, it's really nice for the
I like the baby fluff for the small babies.
Yeah.
okay.
But I like a squishy, cuddly baby too. So
Okay.
that does make a real good difference with the shoulders.
Just the shoulders?
Yeah. And I like that tube in the tummy part too.
Yeah, I think it's good.
I think it's good too. It gives it more stability, like more, but it's still nice and squishy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm good. Got it. And you know, just as a Laura, you needed to just buy extra zip ties.
Yes.
It's no big deal. If it
Yeah.
doesn't, you don't like it the first time,
Do it again.
just do
Yeah.
it again. Nothing, no harm, no foul.
Zip
here.
ties are normally very,
They're
very inexpensive.
Absolutely. Like, don't worry. Don't worry.
They're good for everything though.
They are.
A
Yeah,
zip tie is good for everything.
they are.
You should always have zip ties in your house.
Yeah.
But don't worry. It's
Yeah.
okay if you don't, or you decide, oh, you know what, I'd like it heavier, or I'd like it
Yeah.
this, or I'd like then take it apart, do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, or just like me, if you're having an issue, just take it out, do it again.
Yep.
If you're annoyed, put it down. And
Yep. Come
Walk
back
away
and
from
do it again.
Yep.
so now, are you attaching your head?
I think we should attach the heads.
Okay.
Yeah.
So with the neck ring, you just have to catch it in there. And then tighten. And then this zip tie, you can tighten as tight as you want.
I have some stuff.
Yep.
Because the neck rings there
Will
to,
help adjust.
Yeah. So you don't have to worry about leaving.
And
room.
it has to be on the top of this ring right here, right?
Yep.
Right in there.
Yep.
Okay.
You have it the right way,
I
right?
got it the right way.
Yep. And then that way, your cute little baby can turn his head.